Hi, my name is Janat. You can follow me on Instagram at j_queening. Today we are creating something amazing with Ghananie.
What's up guys, welcome to Ghanaian Photography. My name is Don Alabi. Today I'll take you through how to use one light for a beauty headshot. Most of you have been asking, Ghananie, how do you set up your light for headshots, especially when it comes to beauty? I'll take you through how to use just one light. All you need is one light, as Ben Bond has been saying, and other photographers keep saying it. All you need is one light. So we'll build the whole thing from scratch. So make sure you watch the full video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. So we are using the D750, the 70-200. You can use 85 or any macro lens or a 50mm. Use whatever you have. This is what I have today. So this is what I'm using. The trigger we are using is the Godox X1. I'm shooting straight to my laptop using CaptureOne. I mean, you know, the unofficial CaptureOne ambassador for Ghana. We'll be using the Fotobox from Photoplace. It's the 90cm deep bow octa. This is awesome. You guys should, make sure you get one and use it. If you want to try it before buying it, just come to me, come to my studio, come test it, and I'm sure you will like it. And place your order from Photoplace. For the first shot, I'm going to take just with the softbox, no reflector, nothing. Okay, so as we can see here, she's well lit, but it looks a bit dark. Let me check here. Okay, everything is reset in CaptureOne. So let's take another one and see. Awesome. This looks cool. So the settings I'm using, shutter speed 1/60th, f8 and ISO 100. Now this image looks good, but we have some shadows under her chin. Now for this, you can go ahead and use this image in anything you want to do, but if you think there's too much drama, then we can introduce a reflector down below to cancel some of the shadows. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now let's take a shot and see what we have. Lovely. So you see the hard shadows under her chin have been taken off with just one light and then a reflector. So as you can see from the image, it looks very good with just one light and a reflector down there. But the background, I need to create some separation between her and since it's black. So I'm going to add a second light. I know I said just one light, but then since we have one light lying there, we can use this just the way it is, but let me just introduce one light behind her so we see the drama we can add with that. All right, so we place it behind her and hide it so it doesn't show up in our frame. Okay, so that's on. Let me test it and let's see. Awesome. Okay, that's working fine, but then the positioning. So let me just go tweak it and we move on. Let's see what we can get. And see, look at the difference between this and this one. You see, we have drama behind her. This one, there's no drama. So it depends on what you want. This looks awesome also. But then with this, we've added some drama. So we'll go with both of them. Then when selecting, we'll choose the one that's best fits. So this is just one light and we've placed one behind her just to give some drama. So just to give it a dramatic look. As I said, you can go with the first look or the second one. Any of them should be okay. It depends on what you want to achieve at the end. All right, so let's go ahead and then take a few shots more and see what we can get. Good. So the same thing, but then just, yes, look at me straight. Good. Hold on. Awesome. Good. Good. And then let's spread your hand. No, the same thing, but then, yeah, like that. Awesome. Lovely. Yeah, this looks awesome. So let's have you face this side. Good. And then look at me from, yeah, the light. Just lean forward a bit for me. Good. Like that. Lovely. Let me check if everything is okay. I think we've had enough of the light behind her. So let's take it off and then go back to our one light. Let's go. Good, close. Lovely. And then same thing, but then just look at the screen. Look at the screen, good. Awesome, hold on. I think I prefer it with a black thing at the back. Just the way it is. What do you think? Okay, good, smile like that, looking at the pictures there. Awesome, then eyes here, the same thing, but eyes here, good. Chin up a bit. Yeah, lovely. Okay, so look, I don't know where Kobe is, but look at Kobe. Good. Awesome. So just look in that camera. Yeah, like that. Lovely. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, so now just face me straight and let's do something. If you like what she's doing, just, hit the like button and say something nice in the comment section. She'll be reading. All right, so 1. Yeah, I didn't get the out. Okay, 2. Yes, I think I like this. We got some amazing shots from using just one light, the Fotobox 90cm deep bow octa from Fotoplace. So we had an amazing time with Janat, and if you want to see her on my tutorials again, just say it in the comment section. If we get about just 10 people saying yes, we will bring her back, right? See, okay, so let me know if you've learned anything from this video in the comment section. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching.